So hello everyone and welcome to the first video of Python full stack course for beginners. So without killing much of the time, I'm going to give you a brief description of the course. So in this course, I'll be teaching you Python basics, then some intermediate modules and Python GUI, which is really interesting because it's about graphical user interface. Then we'll be making some games, also some flabbergasting Python machine learning modules and computer vision NLP, and some data science modules like Seaborn, Numpy, Matplotlib, and Pandas. So basically, Python constructs an object-oriented approach aimed to help the programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. For the setup, you need to download the Python interpreter, that is Python 3.9. We'll be covering the basics in it, but for the advanced Python code, it's good practice to use some IDEs, that is Integrated Development Environment. The top two prevalent IDEs are VS Code and PyCharm, also Sublime Text, but its setup is a bit uncanny. So I'll suggest PyCharm or VS Code. The only difference is that PyCharm is well facilitated but takes a bit more time to set up every time, and VS Code is faster but can't beat PyCharm in features. So it just depends on your system, so it's your call. So to set up VS Code, you just need to download VS Code from the link I've given in the description, and then just open your app and you will see one welcome screen. It's not like that in my case because I had downloaded it already. Now when you will see an extension sections at the last, and search Python and install for it. I've already installed that, and make sure to install Python interpreter because it can't work without Python interpreter, and we'll be covering the basics, so how to download that. And if you are looking for PyCharm, then its setup is way too easy because you just have to download it from there and you're all done. So let me tell you that I'll be giving you quick mini challenges after every tutorial, and challenges sometimes require a bit of research, and research is a part of being a coder. So if you don't get the solution, don't worry, I'll provide you that afterwards. Alright then, I'll be seeing you shortly.